Please. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Go, go. I see.
Bye.
Record.
It's not even a seagull.
Mom, are we gonna walk? Yo. Yo, look how much.
Play with it.
Put my glasses on because I don't want to get dirty.
Yeah,
Oh.
where all the seagulls at?
They're not here. I guess they're not here.
Whoa. I'm crying. Where are all the seagulls?
Wait, what is that? What is that? Okay. Okay, now this path is easier. So why is sand? I thought sand was supposed to be yellow. Annie, pick it up. Wow, how this our hotel? Okay. So, yo, look at the waves.
Where's the seagull?
Huh?
I don't know, giờ này nó bay đi rồi.
Yeah.
What?
I saw one.
It's pretty cool. It's not even a seagull. It's a peacock.
There's a shell.
Shell đâu mà shell đừng làm tao bậy.
You sure? What is this, huh? What is this, huh? What is this, huh? It's not a shell? I found a shell. My shell. What? Well, I just want to dip my feet in the pool, the water. No, I just want to put my feet. It's because how sandy it is. Oh, look, now we're taking a big walk. Wow. Look at that big sign over there, Pensacola Beach. And, huh?
The seagulls are gone?
I guess so. But I just hate the sand.
Wait, can you tell me where all the seagulls at?
It's gone. Mom, let me catch up. We're doing it. I swear we're gonna fall into the sand. See?
Hurry, I want to put my dip.
Here. Ooh, huh?
Oh,
Ooh.
seagull there.
Seagull!
Oh,
They're not.
rare.
Right now we're on the beach.
Hi, seagull.
Let's go. And get faster. Oh my. Oh my. Wow.
Mom, I want to dip my feet in the pool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Mom. Oh my. See, Mommy, we're walking all the way over there.
Damn, there's rare hams. I want to take my shoes off.
Mommy. Wow. Dude, there's a pier over there. It's a pier. What's it called, a pier? That's, wow. Wow. I hate the sand.
I don't like the sand.
Yeah.
I'd rather just play already.
Mommy, that water looks so good to dip my feet in.
Mommy, can I dip my feet?
Come on, Mom, stop going faster than us. Just let me catch up. See, there's random stuff. Oh my God. It's so itchy.
Mommy, please. Can we get skate from the beach?
I just want to dip my feet in.
Yes, can you at least just dip my feet in?
Huh? Okay. Gonna walk on this, makes it better. Oh yeah. Look how much hotels there is together. And come on, catch up. Yo. Mom,
Còn dính mới gì dính thuốc đỏ. It's because of this. It's sand. Well, I need it. Yes.
I need to just dip it. It feels so good.
Yeah.
Can I go wash my feet, bro?
Yeah, can I wash my feet?
Bữa rồi biết về. Mai đi con.
Cool.
Oh my feet.
Mai tắm rồi chơi nước rồi.
Oh my.